Why are you recording me?
I'm here for your interview.
What interview? I wasn't informed that I had an interview. What was that? Did you hear it?
That's the chair moving.
Oh, okay.
I'm here for your interview.
Oh, what was that?
What do you like?
Help me. Alright, I'll start the interview, I guess.
What are most things that you like doing?
Tell that lady to stop moving in the chair. Okay, yes.
Okay, what do you want to be if you were a Paw Patrol pup?
What?
What would you like to be if you were a Paw Patrol pup?
I want to be the pop superstar. Rapping Cocoa Beans will be my name.
Oh.
Rapping Cocoa Beans is my name. And rockin' Cocoa Beans is my game. And I'm not really lame. Did you like that?
How old are you?
Like 80 dog years. Dog
Yes.
years, I'm 69. In dog years.
Ooh. Hey, what's your name? What's your name?
Food. You got food. I want food. Yes, I
Come on,
like
come sit next to me.
food. I want food. Yes.
But what's your name?
I like food.
What's your name?
I already told you, rapping cocoa beans. Ooh. Delicious. Ooh, ladies' legs. Ooh.
Alright.
Beefsteak.
How much do you weigh?
None of your business. Would you
Alright.
mind sharing?
Oh no!
Would you mind
It's
sharing?
me again!
Would you mind
I'm back.
sharing some of that food with me?
I'm back.
Oh.
I'm back. I'm back.
Hi, girlfriend.
We aren't dating.
Can we?
Yeah, I guess so.
Hi, girlfriend.
No humping me.
Okay. Can I have some of that food?
No.
Please.
Alright, I guess this interview is over.
Please.
Have a me. No, you can't.
Alright, I guess this interview is over.
Please.
Goodbye.